How to Make Money Without Experience, inspired by Napoleon Hill. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful topic. How to make money even if you have no experience. This lesson is inspired by Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich. Remember his words, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So, even if you are starting from zero, no experience, no money, no connections, you can still build your way up. Stay with me until the end because I'll share practical ways to earn right now and the Napoleon Hill principles that will transform your thinking forever. Section 1. Desire is the starting point. Napoleon Hill said, "A burning desire to be and to do is the starting point from which the dreamer must take off." If you want to make money without experience, it begins with your desire. Not a wish, not a casual thought, but a clear, strong, unstoppable desire. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to make in the next 6 months? Why do I want it? What will I give in return? Write it down. Say it out loud. This is your first step. Section 2. Use what you already have. You may not have experience, but you already have time, energy, and creativity. Napoleon Hill taught, "The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does." That means, start with what's in your hands. Maybe you can type, maybe you can talk, maybe you can sell, maybe you can just learn quickly. Don't underestimate yourself. Money always flows to those who find ways to serve others. Section 3. Learn while you earn. Hill believed in applied knowledge, not just learning, but learning while taking action. If you don't have experience, it's okay. Offer your services at a small fee, even free at first. Examples: manage someone's social media page, edit short videos for small businesses, write simple blog posts, sell products online. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. Experience will come while money begins to flow. Section 4. Build a definite plan. Napoleon Hill warned, "A quitter never wins and a winner never quits." So, you must have a plan, even a simple one. Ask yourself, what can I sell or offer today? Who needs it? How will I reach them? Write this plan down. Even if it feels small, it gives your mind direction. Section 5. Mastermind Principle. Hill's most famous concept is the mastermind group. If you have no experience, connect with people who do. Maybe you're good at talking, but not at the technical side. Partner with someone who is technical. Maybe you don't know how to sell, but you know how to work. Partner with someone who sells. Success is rarely a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Section 6. Start small, grow big. Napoleon Hill said, "Do not wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand." That means start small. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Here are simple money ideas you can begin today without experience. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commission. Reselling. Buy something cheap, sell it higher. Freelancing. Basic tasks like writing voiceover or simple design. Digital content. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog. Middleman services. Connect buyers and sellers and take a cut. Each small step builds confidence, skills, and money. Section 7. Faith and persistence. Hill's strongest advice was about faith. He said, "Faith is the eternal elixir which gives life power and action to the impulse of thought." If you have no experience, people may doubt you. Even you may doubt yourself. But faith, backed by persistence, will break resistance. Keep showing up, keep learning, keep improving. The moment you persist longer than others, doors begin to open. Conclusion. So let's recap. 1. Desire. Know exactly what you want. 2. Use what you already have. 3. Learn while you earn. 4. Build a definite plan. 5. Mastermind with others. 6. Start small, grow big. 7. Have faith and persistence. Remember, Napoleon Hill never said success was easy, but he proved that anyone, regardless of experience, can climb from nothing to everything if they follow these timeless principles. So, don't wait. Start today. Because whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve.